Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Anthony, a blogger and a funnel builder. In this video, I'm going to introduce your first funnel challenge 5 days free training from my good friend Brunson and 20 plus world class experts. Your first funnel challenge will help you to start and launch your business idea. And if you want to join the event, make sure you click the link below to get access to this page. As you can see where it says attention, are you ready to build and launch your first funnel? So click the link below to open to see a link there to open to this page, just to give you a 5 short days, and they will show you how to quickly launch your idea and turn it to a business that you are proud of. And this can work even if you currently have no tech skill, don't have a product, or have no idea what a funnel is yet. And this is a 5 days training which is going to start on October 10 to October 14. So make sure you click the link below to register for your first funnel challenge training program. So when you get to open to this page, says you are going to input your email address. As you can see from the screen here, input your email address, then click join your first funnel challenge for free. Then plus you are going to get free bonus every day after the challenge with a ton of amazing guest speakers. So you don't need to want to miss this challenge. The live challenge starts October 10, and there are many special surprise guests. And the first one is Demont John. Demont John is involved with Brunson. We are going to show you how to build a successful funnel, how to use a funnel to grow your online business. So other special surprise guests are, you have Jamie Cross, Stacy and Paul Martino, Gareth J. White, Anna Grace, Stephen J. Larson, Donald John, Christian Marel, Ellen Wider, and so on. So your first funnel challenge will walk you through step by step how to bootstrap your idea and launch it to the world with a funnel, and begin to generate sales without taking on a mountain of debt or falling prey to analyze paralysis. So here is what you will learn each day of the 5 days your first funnel challenge. Day 1 is funnel hacking. They will talk about funnel hacking, the funnel hacking 101. So how to ethically steal from what is working right now and how to use it to your own funnel. Then plus ton of funnel examples, including funnel that is working right now for finance, e-commerce, coaching, infoproduct, business opportunity, and more. So when you click, don't forget to click join your first funnel challenge for free to register for the event. But day 2 is your first funnel. Day 2 is your first funnel, where they walk you through the single greatest funnel that magically attracts customer to you without having to say or spend a ton of money on ad. Then how you can write email follow up to grow your business. Then day 3 is hook, story and offer. Hook, story and offer. They walk you through how to create a unique story, how to create a hook your customer with your offer. Then how to create your story that resonates with your core audience, and how to drop this story across all your marketing efforts for instant brand recognition, and so on. So the four is irresistible ads. So how to create ads to attract more customer, how to generate more lead, how to generate more lead through your funnel. Then how to automatically bring in customers, clients like clockwork without blowing the bank or running low converting ads. Also, you also learn how to easily create winning video ads that crush it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So don't forget to click link below and get access to this page, and click join your first funnel challenge for free. Then the last day is day 5, which they do it now. On day 5, they are going to cross the finish line and get your idea launched with a funnel. And this on the day 5, they walk you through the mindset hack. the mindset hack that help to break down limiting belief, so you can feel deep down that yes, you can do it. Then how to stack your offer the right way, how to put your offer in the front of your audience. Then the man John bootstrap story that will inspire you to think outside the box, that how to try new things and make sales your way. So what are you waiting for? So click the link below to get access to this page where you can register for your first funnel challenge training. So this is literally the best time to launch your idea into the world and begin making sales, so you can have the life and career you always dream of. So click join your first funnel challenge for free. Open to this page and you will get access to the bonus every day as the challenge is going on. So I hope this training will help you. Click the link below to get access to this page and register for the 5 days event which